got to choose my words really carefully here. I've been told that there are sexual undertones to my technical jargon, and the cameraman is in hysterics, so he's not holding the camera straight. Let's start again. I want to create a cutaway in my friend's guitar to accommodate an electric pickup. Come on, this is what it is. All right. And I actually don't have the right tools, and this is going to defy all belief because I'm going to do quite an advanced operation using not only the wrong tool but a cheap and rusty tool. But focus on the result, please. Okay, so the first thing I've done is I've used masking tape to map out exactly where I want the cutaway, and then I've used this rather cheap tenon saw to cut away the curved sections first, having first drilled 4 holes which represent the ends of each cut. So the interesting thing is that the very tip of the saw is the very bit that's not normally used when woodworking, so it should be razor sharp. Now, I had to hunt around in my workshop this morning to find, albeit a rusty saw, but a sharp one. And so what I've done is I've sawn these first bits, the curves, which you just need a very steady hand for. I'm now going to saw the tricky bit, which is along the flats. So let's look in on the action there. So what I do is I start skating the end of the saw across the surface. This defies all rules and is a question of control. So I'm using my thumb as a guide, and I'm slowly going across, trying not to go past the masking tape line. So I'm using the very end of the saw. It's a slow process. As I say, I'm improvising with the wrong tool. Gone through on there. What do you reckon then, Gary?
Great job done. Not a mark on it. Lovely. Well done. Well done. Well, thank you, Jeremy. I couldn't believe what you did in a short space of time. The reason why rushing it is that I got to do a show tonight, and the BBC had filmed me for well, some students for a BBC programme for a documentary, and I got 2 guitars. One I made here with the help of Jeremy Broun, and this one was given to me, and I had to have a pickup put in it pretty quickly so I can plug into a PA system.